Yo, what to do YouTube? I just got the idea that I have to start recording this because I already did half of my website, but I'm gonna show the rest of my website, how it's looking so far, what I plan to do. It's probably not gonna be a super long video, but it's gonna be my website, me taking pictures for the website, me setting up the website, SMS, all that marketing, all that stuff. I'm gonna try to get that all done today. And yeah, hopefully it's gonna be very fun. And there's not gonna be a lot of problems today as I'm logging in, because yesterday was giving me some problems with verifying my account or something, but I think I just have to dispute it, and that's about it really. So we got our setup going on. I don't know why, but these pictures that Microsoft used for the backgrounds are actually really nice, like just the random ones. Like I actually mess with it so I don't change it, because this PC is also brand new. I had to get something that could run multiple applications at a time because my old one was getting a little not so good. So it's been a lot faster, this computer, and it's been really good. It has 32 gigs of RAM, so you know that memory is really quick. Upgraded the CPU. It's went from an i3 to a Ryzen 5 7600, something like that. Motherboard got increased. It has Wi-Fi now. My old one was only Ethernet, even though I only use Ethernet on this. Some small increases, but it really goes a long way because it helps with workflow and productivity. It's just, you know, always when it's gonna start up, it's a bit slow. But yeah, had some problems yesterday. Hopefully I can fix that today. We'll show you guys the website, and yeah. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like right now. And this is where I'm gonna put my jeans, hoodies, t-shirts, whatever. And I'm gonna get rid of this. And then, yeah, this is just how it looks like for now. Clean, love it, pretty good. So right now we're just setting up our postscripts. Never used it before, but it's an SMS thing. So marketing to SMS people, texting them if they have abandoned carts, when I drop, when I restock, when their order's about to ship, all that stuff. So this is gonna be really useful. And also, I'm gonna be giving a discount to people who actually sign up using the SMS. So if you log in and you sign up for my SMS, then you'd get a 10% off. So it's incentive for me to market towards you. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Click on it, boom. What? Let's try it again. Refresh. Claim discount. Boom. We got our SMS marketing right here. Shack subs page. Sheesh. There we go. So follow this guy's tutorial right here. It's a goat. Follow this tutorial. Yo, so I just finished taking all the pictures. I kind of just skipped through it. I'll show you guys a few pictures because I do have it uploaded. I'll show you guys a few pictures of how I took some in the basement, and I took some on body fits. I got all my, there's all the piles, whatever, it's a few piles. But I was thinking, I don't know, man, like, I was thinking of, I don't know if I want to put the jeans more costly, like make it like 100 or something, and make like the pants like 80, or I should do the inverse, because I'm thinking like the pants I make from scratch, they're basically like, I own the pattern and I make the pattern and I do it from scratch. And yeah, it's also like, I get all these stuff from the thrift, right? And the jeans are more material and it's more quality because it's actual jeans compared to just curtains. But it's just like, the jeans are kind of like, I'm just meshing two jeans together, which, I mean, to be fair, like that would probably cost a lot at like a retail store, maybe at least like 100. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with that maybe. I don't know, let me know what you think are reasonable prices too for the jeans and for the pants. I just want to kind of bounce ideas. I've been doing some research on other competitors and other prices, and it's about that price. Like I see jeans, they even go up to like 120, 150 if it's really good quality. I just want a catalog, and I just want a place for people to actually start buying my stuff, because I have a lot of jeans. I need to start kind of getting this out now. So I could also start my screen printing business, which this is also going to be, it's going to be like half one of one clothing and half like drops, I think. And I'm thinking that like a week before I drop, I'll put a password up so that I could kind of build up that hype like how Supreme does it. And then I drop like a hoodie and like shirt type of seasonal drop type stuff. But we'll see about that in the future. If I do one, it might be in March, maybe April. And yeah, that's the update. I'm almost done the website, so that's really good. I just have to post these pictures. The SMS though, I have to get verified in the SMS. Once I get verified, I can start getting people's emails, but the SMS has been very good. This is how it looks like. I'll show you guys. So here's the website. It's kind of clean, kind of good, whatever. Work in progress though. Main page, blah, blah, blah. So my goal is that when you hop on, you see the get 10% off. It's the first thing you see, claim discount, boom. Or you click this one, boom. Same deal. Put your phone number in, blah, 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 subscribe, perfect. It's just that it's not working for now because my PostScripts has to be verified and stuff. And I can start making funnels and stuff, which is going to be really cool. Or you could do it like this. This too. It's going to be great. This is exactly what I was looking for. So far, so good. I also changed the font of this. You can hardly see it, but yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's coming together soon enough. This is going to be every individual piece, like one of those. I'm going to take one of every individual piece. And yeah. Yeah, so right now what I'm doing is product photos. So I'm taking the product photos and I'm cutting up the back. We're kind of just like making it clean for the website, making sure it's all good. So now I'm putting in the jean. Wait, I forgot which one. These ones. Oh. So put it in, boom, it's uploading. So now basically we're combining all the photos. So here's the front, back, but we're gonna put this towards there, keep these two in the middle, the back and the end. And yeah, doing that for all these. Almost done. I think I have a couple more to do, so yeah. So it's looking right now. Got the front, then this, then the side hit, then the back. It's looking pretty clean. So with a little bit of tweaking of the settings down here, we got it so like that it shifts like I changed it from default, which is just like that little bland. I was thinking whether I do this one, but personally I think this one is pretty tough. And also show second image on hover so that it changes from, it doesn't show anything, and then if you're on desktop, it'll actually show when you hover over it, me wearing it. Oh, that's tough. That's perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I think this is good so far. As a first time, like drop for my one-of-one clothing, this is perfect. I love it. We are at the PC, and so if you come here to home, this is how the home looks like. You got your little discount here in the corner. Got the main page, scroll down, boom. What I like about this is when you hover over it, it shows the pieces on, which is exactly what I was looking for. Here at the bottom, we got all these things here. Refund policy, blah, blah, blah. We go to view all. Let's say we want to get these ones. So you'll see the price, shipping. It says that, it gives all the measurements, even it says for reference. These are the images. They could be better, but you know what? Like, I'm just a one-man team here. It doesn't have to be super professional at the moment, so nothing crazy. At the bottom, you got all the things here too. Very, I would say professional, honestly. You got your whatever here. And yeah, this is just the beginning. Obviously, gonna add more stuff as I progress, but for now, it's a good start. I like how it is right now, and that's it for the video, really. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment, follow the Instagram. Go crazy. The support's been really nice. I've been appreciating everyone's comments and just support. So yeah, I'll catch you guys into the next video, where I'll be actually, my next video, I think I'm out sewing baggy jeans, or it's like a thrift vlog kind of thing where I put stickers around the city. So it's either one of those is coming next, so stay tuned to that, and see you guys in the next video.